And just like that, we're back with another giveaway, week 2 coming up.
Hi curl friends, welcome back to my channel, and a special welcome to those of you who are new here and who are now curl friends. Whoop whoop. Okay, I'm Naturally Shanice, your favorite curl friend, and I have a ton of natural hair tutorials and product reviews. When I'm not sharing my hair tutorials and product reviews, I love sharing my personal fitness journey, health, beauty, skincare. So if these are things that interest you, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, become a curl friend, and turn on your post notifications so you never miss out. All right, now let's get into today's giveaway. Okay, listen, we are at week 2 giveaways for my, giveaway extravaganza for the month of January. I'm gonna cut right to the chase today. Last week, things did not go as planned pertaining to the comments. Something was going on with my specific YouTube video, and I wasn't able to track everyone's comments. I think I figured out the reason why. So hopefully, fingers crossed, in this giveaway, everybody will be counted. I try to be as transparent as possible during that process. I know quite a few of you were disgruntled and upset, and I just want to say that I'm sorry. I also felt very disgruntled and upset, and y'all, I was completely stressed during that whole time. So you know what? That's in the past. That's over. I'm still going to push through with today's giveaway, and I'm just really excited because y'all, we have, hold on, I can't even get it all in the video. Hold on. Oh shoot. Hold on. Okay, here we go. So we have Luster's Pink. Okay, a whole bunch of different styling items and oils. And then we have this curl mix. I know I probably should have given away curl mix with this, but again, I just have excess of PR packages and stuff that was sent to me, and because you guys support me, I definitely just want to hand this out and give this away. So I just kind of put together things that make sense. And since this is Luster's Pink, like Luster's Pink Oil Moisturizer, yes, they're still around. I figured that since you're going to be styling using these products, you could use a detangle comb. And I showed this curl mix comb in a lot of my videos, and I love it, and I have the extra one, so why not? First up is this Super Hydrate and Shine Mask. It's made with avocado oil, mango butter, and shea butter. It's a condensed conditioning treatment, and it says conditioning here at the bottom. Now, in full transparency, I've actually never used, I shouldn't say never used Luster's Pink, because I'm a black girl and we've all grown up on Luster's Pink Oil Moisturizer, but I haven't used these specific products. So I really, can't share my own experiences with them. But when in doubt, we do what here at Naturally Shanice? We read the labels and we read the back of the packaging. So I'm just gonna read to you what Pink moisturizer says that it does for you. So it says, Pink Super Hydrate and Shine Mask is the ultimate intensive treatment for dry, dull, unmanageable hair. It's rich and creamy. This exclusive formula is comprised of some of the best plant-based hydrators, extracts, and vitamins. It delivers incredible conditioning you can see and feel from the very first use. So really, this is a deep condition. Yes, it's a deep conditioner you're gonna leave on your hair for 15 to 30 minutes. And I'm just gonna open so you can see. This is brand spanking new. Ooh, there we go. Okay, so this is item number 1. Let me see, how does this smell? That actually smells really, really, really good. I like that. All right, item number 2 is this Hold and Shine Perfecting Gel. It's with olive oil, argan oil, and panthenol, and this is specifically for styling. So here's an up close of this. And the back says that Pink Hold and Shine Perfecting Gel provides a secure hold and beautiful shine without unwanted side effects of typical gels. Here we go, brand new, you can see in there. Ooh, I'm excited about this, okay. And then next up is the Repair and Strengthen Natural Oil Moisturizing Lotion. This is made with avocado oil, shea butter, and a plant protein. And here, Luster's Pink describes this as daily care. Okay? Daily care. And so it says, for use, massage a small amount throughout hair and scalp to prepare hair for styling and for daily maintenance. So I imagine that you could probably, wet your hair, especially off of fresh wash and go. You could wet it. You can style using this Repair and Strengthen Natural Moisturizing Lotion, a moisturizer, and then you can lock in that moisture and just put a little bit of gel on top, especially for a wash and go. These two might work really well also for a twist out. Again, I've never used them. I'm just sharing with you. Up, we have a Growth and Scalp Relief Natural Oil Moisturizing Lotion. This one is made with castor oil, peppermint oil, and aloe vera and vitamin E. And Luster's Pink describes this as daily care. So here's this one. Okay. So then up next we have the Natural Oil Blends. This is the Lush Growth Oil. Now this I have used, and I actually use it like after I wash my hair, it's dried, it's styled. In the morning when I'm like resetting it, I'll just put some on my fingertips, go like this, and that's what I do my my scalp massages in. So this is a winner in my book. It does contain tea tree. Let me make sure this is the one. Yeah, so castor, tea tree, clary sage oils, plus rosemary, coconut, sweet almond, and lavender oils. The tea tree you can definitely feel. I actually have, you guys already know my kids, somebody's gonna show up in my video. Somebody is going to show up in my video. Wait a second, let me finish up with the people, okay? With the curl friends. This is Xavier, this is my youngest son, you guys. He's virtual learning, but today he's not feeling very well, so he's just kind of upstairs chilling, okay? And last but not least is another oil. This is Luster's Pink Jojoba and Grapeseed Oil. It's designed to seal in moisture, impart shine, softness, and soothes. And I have actually used this. So this is a good alternative if you're allergic to tea tree oil. This is actually another good oil alternative. And here this is here. And so again, flexibility in its uses. I'm really excited about this giveaway, and here's how you can enter to win. So first up, make sure that you are subscribed to the YouTube channel. Step 2, comment underneath this video, and instead of what we did last week, just leave a general comment on your first memory or your fondest memory with Luster's Pink. This is the thing about being a Black girl. We all have like shared experiences and shared memories around our hair. And I think it would be really fun and cool to talk about the memories of what was Luster's Pink Oil Moisturizer. So if you have that memory, make a comment, share it with the curl friends, and that's all that you have to do. The video is now live, and the drawing would take place on Saturday, because I like to leave a good 48 hours and it's Thursday. So the drawing would take place on Saturday. Let's see, what is Saturday? What's today's date? The 13th. Saturday, January 15th. Saturday, January 15th at 6 in the evening. 6 in the evening, okay? So listen, thanks for tuning in, thanks for entering, and good luck.